So here we'll assign the slab thickness. For that, initially we need to create the beam size. So we'll go to the define and section properties, or the area sections, because the slabs are in the area sections. Add new section, name it as slabs, slab 1 to 5. Click on the membrane, and the membrane and bending will assume it as 0.1 to 5, 0.1 to 5. Change the material as M30 and click on OK. Click on OK. So let's go to the upper section here, move up. So here it is. So now we'll actually draw the slab section for the ground storage. It is not showing now. We will just fill the properties, go to the display option, general option, and check the fill objects and click on apply and OK. Alright, apply to all windows and then click apply and OK. So now this is the slab section for ground storage. Now we'll replicate it throughout the whole building, all the slab. So for that, go to the properties and area section, slab 1 to 5, select it and click on select and then close. So the slab section has been selected. Now we need to replicate this. For that, go to edit and replicate, and here just edit the z axis as 3 and the number will be 4. Click on apply and OK. So we have replicated the ground storage slab throughout the whole building.